Whooping cough is also called pertussis, is the other name for it. This is an infection that causes quite a significant cough. So that's the most prominent symptom. It can start out with like a cold with some runny nose, which then turns into a cough. And the really characteristic thing about the cough is that it kind of comes in bouts. Generally kids who have it can have bouts of coughing where they can't catch their breath, and then after the coughing is finished, they kind of take a big deep breath to catch their breath from it, and that's where that whooping comes from. Thankfully, this is an infection that we have vaccination for, and so usually when the population is well covered with vaccination, it's uncommon to see this infection.